Let's talk about the Earth and the Moon. Just how far apart these two celestial bodies are. So let's imagine you shrunk the Earth to the size of this styrofoam ball, and this is a model that I actually painted myself, just like the Moon. So if you imagine you shrunk these down relative to their sizes, this is probably about the size of the Moon compared to the Earth. It will have shrunk down to these models. And you think about it in textbooks. Textbooks usually place them about this far apart. But shrinking these down, the actual distance between the Earth and the Moon, and actually if you move it, it'll be out of the frame, but actually be in a different room. Because the entire distance between model Earth and the model Moon is about 30 feet away in another room. So let's go a little bit bigger. Let's talk about in real life. You might think that the Earth and the Moon are pretty close together. They're a quarter of a million miles, about 238,000 miles to be exact. It takes like 3 days to get to the Moon. But in reality, they're not really as close. They're actually pretty far apart. Like you can fit 30 Earths in that entire distance between the Earth and the Moon. Crazy. And also, fun fact: did you know that if you drive about 100 kilometers per hour constantly, the entire trip will take 160 days to complete that trip, driving at a straight line from Earth to the Moon. So imagine spending 160 days driving at 100 kilometers per hour or 62 and a half miles per hour. But rockets going to the moon, it takes about 3 days to get to the moon. So yeah.